Welcome back, and today I want just to show you how we can convert an object in AutoCAD into a block. Like you can see on the screen here, we have a plan and we have some furnitures in place. So if I just select this one represents a table, and alongside it is chairs. So if I select on this chair, you can see it's disjointed, it's not a block. So we want to convert this. I want to just show you how we can make this as a block. And there's another way people do it, but it does look professionally done, or it's not the best way to do it, because people select everything and right click and come to group and ungroup. So the block, that's not a block, that's just a group of elements of a particular object in AutoCAD. Now, as you can see here, I have this chair in place. If I select on it, you can see everything gets selected. So if I come here and select a part of it, you can see only that section that I've selected gets selected. So what do I do? I want to make it as a block. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this chair here, then press Shift and isolate or remove the parts that I don't want, that I might have included in my selection. So just press Shift and select the parts you want to remove out. So you can see the chair has been selected. So I want to convert this into a block, a chair block. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Control Shift C. So the moment I press Control Shift C, and you can see the moment I've pressed the buttons together, remember you press them together. And once I've been asked you to specify the base point, you click any part of this particular member or this particular object, I'll select on that. So once you've done so, you've been told the specific base found 490 parts. So I'm going to press once again, press Control Shift and V together. So once I've done so, you can see I have on my cursor, you can see that chair is stuck on my cursor here, so I can place it right there. So if I mouse over it, you can see everything gets selected and it's a block now. I can just take it wherever I want to take it. So if you compare with this, if we select, nothing gets selected, only the part that you've highlighted gets selected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this part here. I'm going to get rid of that. Press Shift and isolate the part that you don't want to include in your selection, and let's press Delete and delete everything there, so that we use the block we've just created here. So let me just press Delete, and you see how difficult it is to handle an object that is not a block, because you have to move your cursor everywhere trying to pick all the parts that are stuck there. So what I'm going to do, let me just add this into my selection. So maybe I've left any part outside here, and I want to include right there. Let me just take it all the way to that spot and try to trim it off. So because we want to add it, we want to create a block of that nature. So let me just get rid of these ones. First of all, let me just get rid of that and get rid of these parts, because you see how difficult it is to work with the part with objects in AutoCAD that are not block. So you see that. If I get rid of this, let me just get rid of that and select everything here and press Shift and get rid of that. So you can see if I have this chair as a block, it makes my work easier, because I can just place it right there and make my auto mode active. And if I just select once again there, I'll be able to just place it right there. Easy to work with. So if I select right everything there and try to mirror it on the other end by pressing MI and press enter, I'll be able to mirror that on the other side. You see how simple it is to work with blocks. So let's meet then on how to convert object in AutoCAD into a block. So let's meet then, and bye bye.